Right, in this tutorial we're going to be going over how we can change colors using Illustrator without having to go into its color palette and changing them all manually. Right, what I've got here are two gel buttons. The first one, or the original one, is the blue one. Normal to change its color manually is the red one. Now in order to do this, I copied it and then I pasted it over here. I double clicked it then to ungroup them. Then I selected the gradient tool. Then I manually changed those. And now, of course, that gets a bit tedious because you've got to change them all and it's got to be exact. Otherwise it doesn't look right. But what if you just don't have the time to do that? Well, there's a way around that. Let's go back. You can see I've got a green disc. Now, whereas I would have had to go in there and it would have taken me about 5 minutes to change the colour, maybe even 10, just to simply change the colour, that's all. I've actually made a disc of the same dimensions. So in this case, it's a width of 52.75 or 52.75. The largest circle. It's exactly the same there. Then what I'm going to do is just change the coordinates. So 114, 5, change it to 550. And now it's a simple matter of dragging this on top of there. But before you do that, you've got to go into transparency, and instead of click on normal, you want to go to color. Then you can change the opacity depending on how strong you want the color to be. So I'm now going to take these coordinates. This one is 550. Voila, it's a completely different color. But that, of course, if you were to change its color any other way, you may not necessarily get the same kind of color relations between them. So you may have had a certain smaller part there which is lighter and a large part there which is darker, or it may just look completely wrong anyway. And of course, it's completely versatile. You can copy them and paste them, selecting only the disc then, sorry. You can change its color then to anything you want, so you can change it to a yellow. You can indeed change it to a darker blue. And then we can bring them back to a red, like so. Right, I hope this helped you a lot, and hope you will have saved a lot of time and energy in simply colorizing different objects.